Here's how to fix missing settings in Windows quickly. Step 1. Check for Windows updates. Press Windows plus I, then go to Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Windows will search for pending updates and download them automatically. Restart your PC if prompted. Installing the latest updates can restore missing settings and fix related issues. Step 2. Restart Windows in safe mode. Press Windows plus I, then go to System, then go to Recovery, then Advanced Startup, then Restart. After the PC restarts, select Troubleshoot, then Advanced Options, then Startup Settings, then Restart. Then press 4 for Safe Mode or 5 for Safe Mode with networking. Safe Mode allows you to troubleshoot and access settings that may be missing or inaccessible in normal mode. After completing these steps, missing settings should be restored and accessible. Subscribe for more professional Windows fixes.